In this video, we will walk you through how you can top up your wallet and auto-disperse your bills. Currently, auto-disbursements are only available in Indonesia and Singapore. To activate auto-disbursement, please reach out to Peakflo support team. Once the auto-disbursement is activated, first step is to top up your accounts payable wallet. Click on the Accounting tab. Now you'll see the list of wallets available for you in different currencies. Select the wallet you want to top up and click Top Up. Wallet balance denotes the amount that's available on the wallet. Assigned to bill payments denotes the wallet value assigned to approval and scheduled bill payments that are yet to be executed. If you're in Indonesia or Singapore, you will see the bank account details to which you can transfer the wallet top-up value on the top-up page. Your wallet will be updated in 5 minutes after you've successfully made the bank transfer. You can also check wallet top-up history and export with a click for a faster reconciliation. Once the wallet is topped up and the bill is fully approved, the bill will be scheduled for payment based on the due date of the bill or the scheduled date set for the bill. The bill details will be available under the Scheduled tab of Bills and Reimbursements. If the wallet does not have enough funds to support the payout, the admins will get a notification to top up the wallet and avoid delayed payments. If bill payment fails, the failed payments will appear on the Failed tab and the stakeholders will immediately get notified, along with the error details so that they can fix the error in a timely manner. If the payment is successfully made, the details will appear on the Paid tab and the vendors will receive an email along with their payment receipt. All the successful transactions will be available under the Accounting tab, and an approval policy can be set for the transactions and they can be approved in no time. All the approved transactions with the correct chart of accounts can be automatically synced from Peakflo to your accounting software or ERP. For more information, check out our help portal at help.peakflo.co or send us an email to support@peakflo.co.